Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a pin in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just have to find the pin that we want to share. Let's see. Let's say it's this one. We long press on it, and then we move our finger to the send button, release. And here we have a few options to share this pin. We can share it on Instagram, on Messages, on WhatsApp, on Messenger. We can even copy the link and then share it some other way. Or we can tap on more to discover more options for sharing this pin. Whatever you choose, you can just do it right here. Also, if you tap on the three dots on the bottom of the picture, you can send it directly through Pinterest to a person that you follow or don't. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.